Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, August the 9th, 2017. The CL trades for today using the slow hand method of price action. Just a quick pre-market blurb here. Overnight movement from about $49 moved up to $49.55 at the moment. Today's the DOE report, and we had a surprise build yesterday, or drawdown, on the crude oil market from the American Petroleum Institute. API news happened at 4:30. We had this spike up, but price is having a tough time getting above $50. That's really the line in the sand. $50 is up here. So what I look at for today is, I think really important is going to be the 9 o'clock move. Overnight, we've had this strong move up. Right now, price is kind of rotating around this little area, 15 tick. Let's call it a 15 tick range from maybe a little bit more than that, but prices pulled back, moved up. It's kind of stuck in this area, a 15 tick range. Right at 9 o'clock, which is about 15 minutes from now, where price is going to come in, is price going to head up higher? Oops, I can't do that. Wrong one. Is price going to head up higher, or is price going to come down lower? And by that 15 ticks. And so that is really what I'm looking at. If we're going to have a sell-off at the open or not. Very important to take a look at the 9 o'clock open, because that's when really traders, perk up and start entering the marketplace. You see volume picks up at that point in time. So it kind of sets the stage. And in fact, the first half hour of trading may kind of set the stage for what the rest of the day may look like. I mean, that's kind of what look at from 9 to 9:30. And then at 9:30, we have the ES opening up, and that can have an influence on prices as well. It does a broad market correlation, so to speak. Anyway, right now I'm looking at the fact that that $50 marker right here at this high, like 49, we're at 49.55, was really, if we look at the last couple of days of trading, that's really, so you can see 49.79 from yesterday. And then this is Monday, this is last Friday, this is last Thursday. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, you can see prices try to make an assault at $49, rotated down to $48.60. So we've been trading within let's call it $1.50, like within that $1.50 range. It's kind of like that long range over the last few days. And but if we have a build and a drawdown, which may, if it contradicts the API report to some degree, where price might turn down. If it corroborates the API report, we might have a push up in WTI. So that's really just kind of the overview at this point in time. We'll take a look at how things transpire at 9 o'clock. And I'll have maybe a fuller update later on. I'm going to do a little bit of a midsummer reset, maybe kind of go back to a little of the fundamentals of the slow hand method for price action. I had promised a couple of months ago that I was going to do a very short course with regard to the slow hand method for price actions. That's still in the works. I'm still working on that. I mean, I've got a lot of the slides and so forth done, but because of the situation in the last couple of months, I haven't been able to really kind of edit it and put it back together. But forget that for the time being. I'm going to do kind of a like a beginner's course, just have a couple of slides up here to cover some of the fundamentals, just to kind of get everybody on the same page again, over the next few days. And hopefully that will get everybody on track to thinking along the slow hand method. I got a lot of followers. Lots of people are following this, and they really want to know more about it. And if you have familiarity with price action, it's something that you'll know anyway, to a large degree. Some of the terms are going to be a little bit different, but anyone that's followed MAC or other types of price action trading will see some of the this great similarities I use on the CL. And that's pretty much it for the time being. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Slow hand method of price action. Slow hand method at gmail.com. Not slow hand method of price action. The email is slowhandmethod@gmail.com. Have any questions? This is Vance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.